Spring is the season of digging white vegetables. In China, many people love to go to the wild and pick white vegetables in the spring, not only because they are fresher and tastier than market vegetables, but also because it's a fun way to connect with nature. Today, I accompanied my mother-in-law to the field to pick white vegetables. I record her in the spring as I record my mom and dad. And I hope that people around me in my diary, maybe one day they will be happy to remember. Nowadays, around the world, more and more people are concerned about rewarding nature ingredients and enjoy growing and picking their own food. Please share with me in the comment section. Back home, my mother-in-law cleaned the white vegetables, simply stir-fried a spring home cooking. It's delicious with the unique fresh aroma of spring. If you like this kind of real ordinary Chinese family day life, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.